All right, so here's the last example from the notes. I'm sorry for not getting to it. Yeah. Obviously, the left side is more complex than the right side, so we should start with the left side. Sine squared negative alpha minus cosine squared negative alpha over the quantity sine of alpha, negative alpha minus the cosine of negative alpha. All right, so the first thing we need to do is handle these negative angles. If you recall, the sine function is an odd function, so if you have the sine of a negative angle, that's just negative. It's the opposite of the sine of the positive angle. So this negative kind of just comes out, but whenever you square it, it kind of makes it positive anyway, so we just have the sine of alpha. I'm going to drop the parentheses. Sine squared alpha. The cosine of negative alpha is just positive cosine of alpha, so this one is obviously, and even if you know when you square it, it doesn't matter anyway, but now here it does matter. This negative is going to kind of come out, if you will, if you want to think of it that way. This one you're just going to forget about the sign. So it was, so that negative just goes away, it's still negative subtraction in between them. All right. So I could factor the top. It's a difference of squares, so that's going to be the sine of alpha plus the cosine of alpha, sine of alpha minus the cosine of alpha. And on the bottom, I'm going to factor out a negative. It's going to give me sine of alpha plus cosine of alpha. Oh my gosh, this is an easy one. I should have had you guys do this one instead of that hard one. Sorry. Anyway, these are going to cancel. Again, please don't cancel them out in your proof. Just, you don't actually write it out. So you get the sine of alpha minus the cosine of alpha all over -1. Basically, multiply by -1, put that negative up top, and that gives you cosine alpha minus the sine alpha. That one wasn't so bad. I wish I would have had you guys do that one instead of this beast. I said I was going to do a video of this one in class, but we kind of had more time to go through it than I thought, so I kind of did it. I guess I'll just leave this up here on the screen for a second if you guys want to look at the solution or copy the solution down or try to see if you can follow the solution, but this is a solution for that one, okay? All right, so this is the assignment for after the test. Number one priority, though, is to get yourself ready for the test coming up here on chapters 5 and 6. Thank you.